Hey guys, my name is Greg, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what's going to happen with this channel going forward. If you somehow managed to come across my channel in the past, you would notice that the videos that I have in there were more about tutorials and different tools related to no-code. Now, no-code was a field that I was quite interested in maybe 2, 3, 4 years ago, but now it's not something that I'm very interested in. And the one thing that I've always been interested in is making apps. So the following videos that I post on this channel are going to be related to the different projects that I'm working on and the different apps and ideas that I have. Things that I want to build because I find interesting, or new technologies that I want to explore. This could be anything between mobile apps, web apps, and any other technology that I get my hands across. But it's not going to be so much about tutorials. It's going to be about the decisioning that goes into building some of these apps. Where do some of these ideas come from? And different ways in which I think of monetizing them. Also, I think it will be really interesting to cover some of the apps that I've built in the past that have failed, because I think this is where a lot of the learnings come from seeing where things went wrong and sharing this. That way, other people can avoid the same mistakes that I've made, or just maybe don't build this app or this idea because it might not work for you. So this is a type of content that I enjoy watching personally. So that's the type of content that I want to be creating, because I find it interesting. I find it inspiring seeing others trying to build things on a similar way, or maybe just seeing someone that's maybe 3 to 5 steps ahead of you is more inspiring than seeing someone that's like 100 steps ahead of you. Because those people, while they can be successful and inspiring, it's not very relatable. Now, in terms of the apps that I will be talking about, these are things that I'm generally already interested in, or things that I'm already doing that could be related to some of these applications. For example, things like language learning. That's something that I've tried in the past. I've built one app, completely failed. I'm gonna try to build another one, slightly different, and also a different business model. That's a video that I will be talking about making an app that failed, and then thinking of ways to make a different app within the same topic, but slightly different approach. Some of the other apps could include things about exercise, being healthy, and also apps about content creation. Those are the main topics that I'm generally interested in. This is not to say I'm not going to try maybe different trends that I'm seeing. I don't want to be too boxed into a particular topic. And also, I'm planning to get these apps into production in a relatively short time. That time window is probably different for everyone. Sometime in December, I thought it was a good idea to set myself a goal to make apps within 2 weeks. I completely failed at this. The app that I was building at the time took me about 1 month, or maybe 1.5 months. But even if apps take shorter time, I'm still going to take the time to deliver something that's generally pretty complete in terms of an MVP. This is also about the third time that I've been trying to make content around a different topic. The first time was around the no-code tools. That didn't work out. I didn't stick to the plan of creating videos. And another channel I started was around crypto and the different concepts around crypto, which is very interesting, but I don't think that technology is going to take off given the adoption is quite difficult. And it was also on a different language. I was targeting a slightly different audience. That also didn't work. This time, I think I will stick to this because the way to build the apps has become much faster, and I can spend some time on content creation and some time on the actual development while keeping a healthy rhythm without burning out. But also, I think that making these videos is going to help me understand more about content creation, which I'm hoping helps me with some of the marketing of the apps that I'm planning to make. So if you like this type of content and you would like to hear about the decisions and mistakes that go into making an app, then subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.